guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here today because we are going to be doing a collaboration with VankaKnows. She is a beauty guru here on YouTube. We decided that we wanted to do a festival makeup look, so this is what I created. I'm so excited. This was actually outside my comfort zone. I can't believe I just did this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and link her video right here, so go check her out and show her some love. Subscribe to her YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. If you like to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching and I will see you guys in my next video. To start off with, I'm going to be prepping my eyelids using the LA Girl High Definition Eyeshadow Primer. And the reason why we're using a white primer is because we want those colors to really stand out. With a Morphe R37 brush, we're going to be applying that hot pink right above our crease. So for today's eye look, we're going to be taking the Morphe 35B palette. So right when I get into the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to blend this upwards. Next, we're taking this light salmon pink color and we're going to use it to blend the harsh line that we have from the hot pink. And I'm going to be using my Morphe R40 brush. Now I'm going to go back in with some more hot pink to make that pink pop. So right below that hot pink, we are going to be applying this pretty purple. I'm going to go ahead and get started on the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it into the crease. Next, I'm going to go back with the extra product that I have from the transition shade on my brush, and I'm just going to blend out those edges. To add some more color to the outer V, I'm going to be taking this very pretty purple. First, I'm going to apply with a Morphe 412 brush. Then I'm going to be blending it out with a Morphe E18 brush, which is like a small pencil brush. Next, I'm going back into that light purple and I'm going to be blending out the edges. To cut the crease, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline 24-hour tattoo in the shade Tenacious Teal. Next, I'm going to take some of that purple and I'm going to blend out the edge. Now I'm going to be taking this blue shimmer shade and I'm going to be applying it with a flat brush and I'm going to be spraying it with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to go back into that purple and I'm going to intensify the purple in the outer V. So next I'm going to be taking this Hard Candy Silver Glitter Eyeliner and I'm going to use this to cut the crease. So when you're doing this process, you want to take very small strokes. Now the fun part is to add the glitter. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter in the shade Silver. In order to put on the glitter, I'm going to be taking my NYX glitter primer on a small angled brush. And then I'm going to use another small angled brush to apply the glitter. For my winged eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this NYX felt tip eyeliner. It's going to be white. And I'm going to use this to make my wing. Now that I marked my wing, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my NYX white gel eyeliner. For lashes, I'm going to be taking these beautiful 100% Meek eyelashes by V Beauty. These are in the style Amores. Okay, now that I already have my eyelashes on, I'm going to go ahead and tightline my lower lash line using my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Now we're going to apply whatever colors we applied on our eyelid to the lower lash line. Whatever powder is left over on this brush, I'm just going to get rid of all that fallout. Since we're going to be outside in the sun, we want to make sure that we're bronzed and glowing to the gods. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get some of this champagne pop and I'm going to be applying it right into the inner corner of my eyes. Yes, 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 yes. Just. Okay, so off camera, I'm going to go ahead and apply my rhinestones and I'll see you in a little bit, okay? So now I already have my jewels on and they look so gorgeous. I think I did an awesome job. So for my lips, I have the ColourPop Drive-In Liquid Matte Lipstick. It's so beautiful. And on top of this matte lipstick, I'm going to be taking this lip gloss by CoverGirl. Alright, to set my face, I'm going to be using my MAC Fix Plus. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I think I did an awesome job, especially with these jewels. Like, Oh my goodness, it was so hard to get the ones in the inner corner because I used eyelash glue to get these rhinestones to like literally stick on my face. And yeah, it was kind of hard because my hands were like sticky, so like ah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.